I'm just going 60. Whatever it happens, whatever happens, happens.
You only got to worry about it really like the first 10 laps of the run.
You have 4.
I just took a number and prayed to God with these trucks and my FOV settings, I can't
They only
even
gave you
see
2
my
sets of
freaking time.
tires, and people, you had to save the
I got
tires,
the
and we did
digital
well
dash.
doing that. But now that everybody's got, you can basically get tires every time you pit. There's, you don't have to
I gotta
save
get
them.
me one of those. I just took an old iPhone, or an old, well, yeah, I've got an old iPhone that I put up.
If you hit Control F12 in the replay menu in your cockpit view, you can adjust your X, Y, and Z and save those, and those will actually like translate to the car. What it does is it moves you inside the car, but it doesn't change your point of view outside the car.
Remember him from last season?
Who's that, Matthew?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He and Doug had a few run-ins.
What's the common denominator here with these run-ins?
Yeah, a little bumping and dumbasses blocking you when they're...
Yeah.
Did you...
He's cool, though. I mean, you know.
Nice lap, man.
Never
They
had
kissed
no
and
bad
made up.
arguments. I called him out. He's called me out a couple times. Right.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Make me
It was kind
nuts.
of
You chase them down from 2 laps, 2 seconds back, and like 3 laps, and then they think they're...
Yeah, he's
man.
a hard charger.
116, 115.
At one time, he was up pretty good there. In
Fly back in that
He's
seat.
fell
Get
back.
something to drink. Get ready to go here.
No, I know. The last race that we were in, it was 114, and I did like a mid-6.
Pace car's off. Be ready.
I haven't been able to bring it back.
Pace car's off. Be ready. Green flag. Outside. Clear high.
They want me to go too far back, right? I don't think.
Yeah.
Outside.
I'd have to
Door
push these
outside.
guys.
Clear.
Of course, I
I got
don't tell
tight.
you what to do. That's a
Go, I got tight.
Thanks for ending my race on lap 1.
40.159.
Damn, I got off in the grass there.
Working the bottom inside. Still inside. Clear. .376. Working the bottom inside.
for listening for me, bud.
Still inside. Still inside. Still there. Clear. 31.798.
I'm getting a good way behind that pack.
Yeah.
I don't know if DeMarco's hanging back or he's slow.
They're side by side up there in front of him. That's me behind you. You're clear down.
31.549.
You're gonna tell me low.
One in the wall and 2.
Outside. Clear high, clear high.
You are so bad.
.158. We're gonna bottom inside. You're clear him.
Yeah, I'm about to start passing people. This is ridiculous.
31.894.
They get stretched out pretty good up there.
Oh dear.
32.019.
Leave the mark up there a long time passing here.
Yeah.
My bad, it's only 7 more something.
32.034.
No worries, man.
Ooh, hang on to it, Doug.
Well, I was going to
Back
pass
out a
and
little
take
bit.
it
It's
out.
getting a little hot.
And I realized I couldn't do that for that
Yeah,
part.
me too.
.149.
I am ready to go. Yeah, that's twice almost good.
Woo!
Go ahead,
Going
man.
on you.
Try to get the stuff together here.
.462. .592.
And I'm pushing there bad.
Yeah, it's a tape.
.32.647.
I didn't experience that during practice.
Well, you're running 55 tape then?
No.
Inside. Clear. Inside. Still inside.
One in the wall up here.
Still inside. 32.95. Still inside. Still inside. Still on the inside. Still inside.
His damn pack has got to break out. This is ridiculous.
Clear, clear.
Yeah. One time it shut down.
inside. 33.126.
Back up, Ian.
Still there. Still inside. Still inside. Clear.
This guy's back and forth up here, watch it.
And
33.198 inside. Still there.
This got big time loose.
Still there. Still inside. Still inside. Clear, clear, clear. Inside. 33.33. Still there. Still inside. Still there. Still inside.
Damn. It's like a
Clear.
roadblock.
Inside, inside. Still inside. Clear, clear.
Easy, man.
33.419.
Ooh, I'm getting loose.
About time.
Nice pass, 12. Hank, I hope I didn't get it to you.
.23. Outside, in and out. Still there. One inside, only one. Clear.
Thanks to the room 16.
34.024.
Come on, start driving the track here, not the cars around.
33.421.
Didn't mean to do that, man. I just got real tight.
33.3.
I couldn't get you low and better on the top side, so I tried top side and should I got out of it still. Sorry.
What reckon? Low, low, low.
Oh Lord, this car's so loose. My bad, man.
He almost come up with me.
33.482. 33.649.
Did Marco hold you?
He was a little bit. I just tried a different line to see what would happen.
Come Dave Matson.
Go, Dave.
.571 inside, still there, clear.
Oh, come on, man.
Outside. Got your door outside, clear high. .726. .489.
Dude, come on.
What?
.496.
Sorry, Brad, I had to get out of it there.
No problem, man.
Get up here, I'll let you go. I'm struggling.
33.872.
No, you get back up to him. I'm gonna let you go.
I'm down to attack the ball and make it good.
.629. .629.
I mean, that works too.
This guy's
Bro,
like
you
direct
sit there
Marco up
making
here.
me belt my tires when you know I'm faster.
Yeah, my bad for trying to make you pass me. I'm sorry, man.
Well, I mean, I kept trying to be nice, kept trying to do the right thing. That's why you get the fudge.
I really did nothing. I held my line in the middle the entire time.
33.518.
No, I didn't say that, but if you get a faster car, I mean, what's the point? You're not going to catch the guy.
Get past me. I'm in second place. I'm not going to give up second.
I did get by you.
I know, but you don't gotta bitch about it that you couldn't get by me for 15 laps.
33.601.
I mean, you're lucky I lifted. I caught your brakes. Could have turned into the outside wall.
And I could have dumped you about 4 times and I did.
Yep, you could have dumped me trying to pass me. Makes sense.
My dad can beat your
Any help you can get us there, big girl? What's going on, boss?
No, mine can beat yours up.
I literally lifted on your bumper like 10 times.
33.94.
And how's that my fault?
Pitted, Doug.
Don't follow
I think
me.
it's
Go
too
to a
soon.
different
You
route.
do what you need to do.
No, I'm not pitting yet.
Alright, next time I'll just keep my foot in it.
Got one pitting up here, Doug.
33.865. .834. Outside. Clear if you need it. Knows you're coming.
Watch out for that 26.
Yeah.
35.22. .909. Outside. Clear, clear, clear.
Michael, I'm going in, man.
Alright.
.835. Inside, inside, inside. Still inside. Back in this bitch now, come on. Still there at your door.
Hey,
Too
Steve,
wide
I'm gonna
inside.
go ahead and pit here.
Inside only one.
Or not.
Still there.
I'll wait for the next lap.
Pitting,
Inside's clear.
pitting.
Dude, I'm so sorry. I see number
Jump past
6
halfway.
on your truck.
34.052.
I'll let you go this time. I'll stay on the high side. Actually, no. I'll go with you. Yeah.
63.72.
Fitting in this time. Fitting in this time.
I'm 63.70. I'm like at 20 seconds.
I wouldn't fix it, but that's me. And there's gonna be a yellow sooner or later.
I'm not
Take
gonna
easy
fix
with
it.
your software by yourself. So if we do catch these guys,
22 when you
help
pit.
them out. Inside.
Oh, somewhat soon.
Jacob pitting. Jacob pitting.
Sample.
Outside. Clear. Good job, man. Don't change your line. They're
Still
going to
looking
move.
for your sign.
15 pitting this time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign.
For some reason, I didn't get no tires. I just blew through my pit stop.
Go, man. Go, 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 go. 0 speed.
I was tightening it up 2 clicks, Michael, and you?
I went 1 click. I tried 2 clicks in practice and just got too tight too soon for me.
He is a lap down, right? Or,
Alright, let's try this again.
Fitting.
Fitting in this time. Torn down pit.
outside, clear high.
28 fitting this time, 28 fitting this time.
Hey, my pit crew was awake this time.
1 minute 7.109. Leaders on pit road. .81. Good job, man. Let's be smart.
What did you do? Get caught speeding, Brad?
No, I'm clean.
I was wondering, you came out right in front of me.
Those lappers
It had
out of
been
the way
like
are all
seconds. I guess it was not as fast with those laps with new tires.
31.563.
You pulled away from this thing. Guy behind me's a lap down. He's all over my ass. I'm gonna let him go. The 10 truck.
Outside. Clear. .787. Outside. Still out there, man. Still outside. Still outside. Clear outside if you want it. .077. Outside. Working on him in front of you. Clear. He knows you're coming.
Pitting this time.
Leader pit road. Outside. Clear outside.
I've never.
.829.
Hey, mate. 21 pitting this time by. Watch me 13 on the bottom. Doug and Chris, I'm pitting this time.
Leaders on pit road. 32.019. 32.03.
12 seconds behind me.
I think Dave's racing this guy right in front of me. I'm trying to let them do their thing because I don't want to get caught up in it. The 10 in front of him was all over the place.
.183.
Sorry, 28. He bumped the wall and I wasn't trying to block him.
32.141.
The jerk left right in front of him as he started to go by me.
Inside. Still inside. Still there, inside.
One, if you got it.
Clear low. Outside. Still out there. You're clear. 32.577. Working outside, outside. Still out there. Looks clear, clear, clear.
This fucker won't move.
Number 10 car, he ain't being a lap down.
I lost so much time with people in front of me because of him.
32.789.
Now Timothy Wood, Matthew Bear running me down on fresher tires.
Yeah, he pitted really late.
.964. Inside. Still there. Still inside.
And the leader's only 6 seconds off.
What are you doing,
Quarter
Dick?
inside.
I mean, for real.
He's coming back
Clear.
up. No, he's staying down. He goes to 21.
33.085.
Yep. Yeah, 21 is flying up on me. I don't know who that was that spun down low.
20 car.
Just a little slower going in.
33.084.
Thanks, Michael.
Clear, clear.
This race sucks. I'd go that down.
33.124. 20 laps to go.
Next race, I'm not being intensive at the start. I'm just going to go for it. If I get wrecked out, I get wrecked out.
Yeah, I think we need to get a little bit more aggressive.
.26. 33.257. .283.
Higher. .576.
One on the apron up here. 3-4. Looks like he's coming up. He's tore all up.
33.551.
Hello, Matthew.
Thank you.
.532.
Thanks for the room.
.559.
God damn it.
Gotta go high here, Nate.
I should have done 2 clicks like you, Doug. I just got real loose.
I'm loose too. But
Thank you.
yeah, it's manageable, I guess.
33.498.
I was hoping it would come in better than it did. How about that?
Wrecking in 3.
Caution.
Yay.
Hey,
Let's talk about the car real quick.
dog.
Pit crew, we get a thumbs up from everybody.
My bad, Mark.
Okay,
I
whatever,
thought he was
backup
already going
channel, make
around
sure
right
everybody's
there. That's why I started to check up and get down. I didn't know what was about to happen.
Should be starting behind the 24.
Oh, it's good, man. I didn't see what happened, to be honest with you.
You're going to have to come around the
11.
safe car. You'll be lining up behind the
bottom of
24.
4.
Alright, guys. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Rob.
Pace cars on the backstretch.
We've got 10 laps to go. Pit road is open.
How much tape we
I
put
know.
on?
I'm just going up
back
to.
up.
I'm going to 60. Probably go higher than that. Yeah, I might go up to 62.
I'm gonna go with 62.
Check it up in the 3.
Start looking for your sign.
Go get him, Doug.
5, 4, 3,
Get
2,
my repairs done.
1. Stop on the sign.
Come back and win this thing.
No, but get a damn better finish than what I was about to get, I hope. Right?
Go back, go.
I'd like to get
That was a nice
Top
stop, guys.
15.
Good pit stop, boys.
I couldn't hold it together for
Oh, 73,
9 more
78
laps.
that run.
I think we should be behind the 29.
Now I'll get ready for the wreck fest.
Eat.
Yep. Yeah, no shit. That was some fun racing, boys. Yeah, guys, it was fun.
Winning that race for you guys.
Yeah, that was awesome, guys.
Looks like you'll be lining up behind the
Get her
29.
fixed, Doug.
Oh, God, I'm so happy. I took my adjustments back out.
Did anybody stay out? I don't understand how I came out before.
Yeah, I'm 18th. I can dodge it here.
If they stayed out, it'll be a yard sale. Could have been a couple 2 tires stops.
Yuck.
I don't know why you'd want to. I was spinning tire at 3rd gear.
There's 3 or 4 wave around cars. But where's the 16? They're scoring him in 3rd. Yes, they don't. I think he pitted last lap.
How did the third place
Yeah,
car
he
sit
pitted,
behind me?
maybe it just threw it off. I see now.
Radio check, test 1, 2. You guys got me? How about you, Earl? You got me?
I think
Yes,
so.
sir. Can you hear me, bud? We got a new antenna that I'm working with today. So
Okay,
make
let's
sure.
change his numbers.
10-4. And 1 to go. 1 minute 18.958. You're on the outside, it looks like.
I think this thing runs better if it runs a little hot.
Yeah.
I've seen them look kind of sluggish. I'm gonna run my tape at a minimum of 58, I think.
Yeah, I didn't even blink at all.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Remember, guys, cold tires.
Yeah, me neither. I don't know what I'm missing something though. That was
gear.
I mean, if that stayed yellow, I had 14th locked up. I mean, if it stayed green.
I mean, I'm going green this time. Remember, they fan out down there. So protect that bottom.
Back in car so bad.
All right, good luck, boys.
You too.
The boss man, you know what time it is. Pace car's off. Be ready. Green flag. 1 minute 14.113. Inside. All clear, my man. Inside. One inside.
I'm so sorry.
Caution. Caution.
Ooh, how I missed
quickly
that, I
tell
have
me what
no
you think you had
idea.
there.
That is my fault, guys.
Pit road is closed.
Damn, I did.
Thank you, Top 4,
24.
for not checking up like that.
He was sliding down and I was straddling the white line in the middle of the turn.
Yeah, not clear there, DeMarco.
Yeah, the spotter didn't say anything, so I apologize, man. I looked in the mirror.
It happens. Maybe you.
Running Matthew.
Line up behind the 24. We're going to give you 5 to go this time by.
Oh, man, can I
Pit
call
road
up from that?
is open.
I'm tore up, man. He got me.
Oh
did
yeah, lap down genius doesn't know how to check up, drove right through me and I hit DeMarco because we don't know how to use the brake.
Your car has brakes?
There's brakes.
Not his.
14 gonna make its way?
Sorry that happened to you, bud.
We're going to restart behind the 24.
Watch your tires spin on cold tires.
Pace car front stretch.
Got a tiny bit of wear on them.
Get the lucky dog. Lap down car coming.
I got hit. I think it takes.
Lucky dog coming.
Lucky dog. Lucky dog.
Damn, 2 minutes and 34
Oh yeah,
seconds.
only 5 minutes of damage. Appreciate it, lap down car. Minor.
How bad's the front of this truck look, Cody?
Come to the right real quick. It's a little banged up, but it's not too bad.
Thank you. Mr. Wood, I don't know what to expect on the restart. Mr. Spivey, same.
Yeah, I'm the poor sucker stuck behind you. I'm just kidding.
I'll watch here.
I'm just giving you shit, Brad.
Oh, it's all good. I agree.
Pit road is closed.
Here's some race, I was like 7th or something, and the 2 cars in front of me were doing a restart on a green-white checker. Both of them, the front ends were smashed off of. I'm like going, it's going to be ugly. And I squeezed it 3 wide to go around, to go up above them.
No green white check.
It's coming.
Justin, you gotta go in front of me, man.
I think it might switch to one.
Yeah, it's gonna switch here. At the line.
It's telling me to stay behind you, man. I got a speeding in the pits.
It's weird because it's telling me to let you by right now.
Yeah, I think when the 14 or whatever it is, they got to get. I don't know. It was telling me to let the 14 by, and then it said stay behind the 11.
It'll straighten it out when we pass the line here.
Right now, I'm 1 to the good on getting points.
Matthew, that truck's quick, man.
Yeah, we're getting there with it.
Watch for
You know
wheel
what,
spin.
Justin? I was the lucky dog, so I'm just going to go up top. I'm going to drop to the end. You guys are going to get it anyway.
1 to go. You're on the outside. Green, white, checker, right? 10-4, correct. 1 minute 23.949. Gonna line up behind the 29.
Michael, are you okay if I just stay high?
Yeah, you're fine. I just can't go under you before the line if you're that slow. But you just run your line, your race.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be that slow, but once I get into turn 2, that's where it's gonna show up. I'll stay high. As high
Hey,
as
Steve,
possible.
I got a bunch of damage, man.
Yeah, no worries. I'm in no hurry. I'm a couple laps down. My pit crew did not change my tires. First
We
time.
got green, white checker getting ready to start.
That's back bumper to lift.
I got 16th, you got 17th.
Yeah.
Best we had.
But get it
Yeah,
cleaned out real well,
you
man.
Chase
Clean out
Elliott's
those
pit
tires.
crew.
Everybody behind me, I'm down on power.
Hey, boss man, you know what time it is. All right, boss man. Pace cars off. Be ready. Green, green, green. 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go. 1 minute 17.687.
Reckon.
Green, white checker.
Up high.
Caution. Give me your 10th there, bud. Close.
Can't come down, there's a car
You're gonna have
inside
to come
it.
around at 21. Come around at 21.
Hey, my fault, guys. Spotter said I was clear. I went to move down. He said inside. Too late.
Michael, you alright?
Yeah,
Hey, one, I just wish I'm like having to lift on that restart. I mean, you're cutting it close, but I'm doing it so we don't spin.
Shit, I'm gonna stay out. I was gonna go in and get 2 minutes of damage or something.
Line up behind the 29.
I passed up 3 cars right there.
The road's open.
Not mad about it. Just to let you know.
Goddamn, Doug, your truck looks like it went through a wrinkle machine.
Brad, how you
I know,
doing?
right, Steve?
Yeah, it's been a mediocre race. I got damage with like 10 to go. Now I don't know. I'm 10th, but I'll never hold on to that spot.
We raced our ass off. That bitch was so
Behind the
stinking
29.
ass. We had 1 caution early and no more cautions.
Yeah, we had one just a little bit ago in this one. That's it.
Yeah, we had 1 at 11 and that was it.
I mean, we weren't that great, honestly.
Yeah, we was just thinking loose. We couldn't hold on to it. And I even went a full round on the right side track bar.
I tried Timmy's strategy that he used earlier, and I'm just
20.
I think I'm just too hard on the
Car
tire.
coming to the outside.
I gotta figure out a better, smoother line around here.
We were
Line
like
up behind the 20.
72-ish, 74, 75, something like that in the rear.
Brad,
After
you're destroyed, buddy.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. DeMarco got me, man, of all people.
I mean, yeah, that whole front, both and left, like somebody, like you put you in the wall.
Hey, he's good for the green, white checkers.
Look at mine, Timmy.
I'm gonna let my teammate go though.
I'm not even, I don't know if I get to you. There was a race that Timmy and I were in. I was like 4th on the outside, and he was right behind me. I was tore up. There's no way I was gonna hold it, but we had 3 straight green, white checkers. Only way I got my top 10.
Tailgate smushed in on the right. I mean on the left.
That's my left front look like.
Yeah, you've been put in the wall too, ain't you?
Well, Dave Matson, there was a wreck.
The road will
He
be
hit on
closed
the
this
bottom
time.
and knocked up into me in my left front. Yeah.
Yeah. You're not as bad as Brad. Both your fenders and your hood. It's the front looks decent.
You'll probably pass me, Doug.
Why, you tore
Why
up
is
too?
that?
No, I'm not tore up at all. I just jinxed myself.
Oh yeah, you clean as a whistle.
Yeah, I've missed 2 wrecks. I don't. Well, 1 wreck. I don't know how. Just then.
Go hard and hang on that white line, Michael. You got this.
I'm on the top. I gotta get around somebody.
You got fresh tires?
As fresh as these others around me.
How many laps?
We
maybe
pitted
5.
on 72.
So we got 9 laps, but we've got like what 4 or 5 laps of cautions.
6 under yellow,
6.
I imagine.
You got any adjustments in that thing?
I'm up to 62 tape, and I went down to 1 click on the right rear because I didn't want it to be too tight too soon.
I ain't the hell.
That's all right.
What y'all, ain't y'all's temp 89?
Yeah, but I just, for the end here, we had 10 laps to go, and I just bumped it up to 62.
You gonna be loose as shit, man.
Well, we want to go.
You got that tape up
Alright,
and
if
you
this
just took a
thing's
round
accurate, we're
down?
going to be
No, I left the round. I have one.
Go again.
That's it.
22.0.
You watch. I'll be good. I raced the race at 58, and it was fine.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did too.
Yeah.
Go get him, buddy.
Guy in front of me's tore up. Guy beside me's tore up.
One behind you.
Hey, is the 16 truck tore up?
Where's he at?
He's right here in front of me, Marino.
No, I don't think he is.
There, and I got
He's running
damage.
15th.
I'll stay high.
No, he's...
Well, I do too. I don't know what I got.
Oh God, he's right in front of me.
2 trucks tore up.
Yeah, I can't. I gotta
Appreciate
pass
that.
him high before the if I get him before the line. They're gonna hold me up, and I'm gonna lose. He's gonna hold me up. I'm gonna lose 3 or 4 spots.
14 coming through.
Double check those belts.
I'm putting postage on it. I'm about to send it.
Send it.
Pace car's off. Big man, do your job. You ready? We're going on the flag.
Going.
Ready? Green, 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 green. I think we're in really good shape. Got a few cars to pass. 1 minute 19.219. Inside. Still there. Clear.
Yeah, that's all I got.
Working the bottom. Clear low.
Coming up on your pass, Brad.
Keep it up, baby. I got white flag. Inside 34.177.
Get down there,
Right, go inside there, Jack.
Inside is clear.
Three wide. They're 3 wide.
Wow, I think I actually gained points. Yeah, witness my 6th race where I've gained points this season.
Gain.
Alright, bud.
Good race, guys.
Go.
Nice try there at the end, 12. It was a good one. Good. Alright, if I pinched you up a little high, that 4 got underneath me.
Brad, I think you had the speed. You just got stuck up high.
Yeah, that was fun, man. I hate that DeMarco got me earlier, but I don't have something figured out here, man. Got more work.
Yeah, I was 99.99 on the right after that.
Well, I've sent a couple messages around while I'm waiting.
Does anybody know how to,
back.
you know,